So look, I think the idea that technology stocks are doing well is, really a period of time. We are in a very unique time. We have healthcare stocks or pharmaceuticals and some others, research and development companies, production companies when it comes to vaccines and such, all doing very, very well and have been. They were, frankly, before the pandemic, they were doing well. So now, and technology stocks have been doing well for almost a year and a half. Now, I distinctly remember about 6 months ago me saying, I don't know about technology stocks. It looks like one would have to think that they've got to start to adjust and correct a little bit. They never did. So it's been an amazing run. And I know many of you, some of the technology stocks, I know which ones they are, same ones I own. Ones that have been on my buy list off and on, but on for some of them on for a fairly long period of time. You're doing very, very well in those technology stocks. So it is amazing as we continue to see that. After the jobs reports came out this morning, 20.5 million jobs lost. That is amazing. An unemployment rate of 14.7%. That is amazing. All of this was like falling off a cliff. That's how fast all of this happened. But everybody in the markets, as a matter of fact, the Dow futures went up 200 points after the job numbers came out, which was a very strong indication that the markets really aren't paying much attention to this. First of all, they knew what the numbers were going to look like, as we all did. They totally understood that. I didn't make predictions. I think there were a lot of other people that usually make predictions that never did. There wasn't any sense in it. It was too easy. I mean, it was pretty obvious what was going to happen. We saw, the 21 million, or is it 22 million? It's 20.2 million now that I think about it, from the numbers coming out of the private sector on Wednesday. So look, it is pretty amazing when we see what has happened with all of this. To me, it seems kind of concerning as well. And I would expect that next year, the unemployment rate's going to go up after the month of May numbers come out. And there are some people that are starting to get back to work. There are some states reopening. Some are reopening Saturday. So not reopening totally, but reopening as far as phase one goes. I know states that started what seemed to be started late that are already opening some restaurants. That is an area of workers that has been hurt terribly by this. Most of the big area of hurt has been leisure workers, restaurants, hotels, those kinds of things, 47% down. That's just this month, the month before last. That's just the month of April. They were starting to get hit hard in March as well, and certainly got hit hard again early this month. So anyway, we watch all these numbers, we see what is happening, and is it a cause for concern? I don't think so, because as I said earlier, there's still light at the end of the tunnel, and everybody is still very focused on that light, and that's very good. Hey, remember to click the subscribe button right here on the screen, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when new content is added. And more importantly than anything, you don't want to miss all 3 live hours of Financial Issues every day from 9 to noon. And you can watch it on FISM.tv. That's FISM.tv.